Model, 1999 Volkswagen Transporter 1000 short wheelbase, 2.0 petrol. Body, yellow, camper. Mileage, 0. MOT, the 14th of April 2025. Engine, 1968 cc E2DO EBDP. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. The clutch pedal is very spongy. You can engage gear, but it's a little difficult. The clutch will need replacing. If you know what you're doing, you can still drive it, but will definitely need a clutch. Engine and gearbox are perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, 2 keys. HPI,